Hey guys, welcome back. I feel like I haven't done a video like this in years. I feel like I'm going back to OG MicroscopeBeauty days where I did unboxing and subscription box videos and beauty videos, and I'm not upset about it. I hope you guys are cool with going down memory lane with me because I signed up for 3 months with BoxyCharm with my own money, not being sponsored. I'd let you guys know if I was, because that would be really freaking cool. I've been interested in BoxyCharm. I've heard some really cool things about it. It's $25 a month and you get full-size products, which is definitely what I prefer. Like, I loved Ipsy back in the day. I did so many Ipsy videos, but if I loved a product, I only got that small sample and then I had to purchase the new one, and it just, if I'm gonna love it, I want the full size, or I can pass it on to other friends, family, whatever. So I have 3 months coming my way, and if it's cool with you guys, I'm going to share what I get in the boxes with you. I also have FabFitFun coming, so look forward to that. So like I said, what drew me to this box is the full-size products, and you take this quiz when you sign up that asks you like what types of products are you interested in. So if you are just not into mascara, you have a mascara that you like, you can vote that lower than say skincare. So I definitely leaned more towards skincare because it's just, I love it. I'm a huge fan of skincare. I feel like you don't need makeup if your skincare is on point and it like makes your skin look amazing or whatever. So I focus more on skincare. So I'm curious to see if the box reflects that. So let's open her up and see what we have in here. So it comes with a postcard that has all of the information of the products on it. And when I signed up, I could pick like a free bonus gift. So I think that's in here as well. So I think you only get like 3 or 4 products, but I'm gonna have an extra one for a bonus gift. I think this is the one that I got as an extra like bonus for signing up. It's the Vitamin C Mask by Georgette Klinger. I'm just so excited about this box. So it comes in this like cute little white packaging. Vitamin C, I'm obsessed with. I love it. I use it every single day. It's at some point of my skincare routine. It has vitamin C in it. So I'm really excited to give this a go. So the rest of the products I don't know. So you and I will be experiencing this at the same time. Up first, by Flower Dose, is this Plumping Lip and Eye Serum. Packaging is cute. Let's see what the actual product looks like. Oh my God. It's like a syringe. You massage a thin layer all over your lips and outer contours of your eye area. I am fascinated by this. We will have to give it a try and see what happens. What a weird packaging. Up next is a brand called Pharmacy. It's Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I love bees, so I'm really excited about this. So you apply this to your face or targeted areas of the body needed for intense moisture. So you can actually put it in your hair to tame flyaways and add shine, or blend it into your foundation. So I'm guessing this is kind of an all-over product that you can use. Oh my God, look at that packaging. That is beautiful. I think this could possibly be my favorite thing. I obviously haven't tried it. Oh, if you guys are interested, do you want me to add like another video or do a portion at the end where I try out the products and give my review of them? Is that something you'd be interested in? I feel like that would add value to you guys, because right now it's just like, oh, that's a cute bottle. That's nice. And it gives you a sense of what the box is like, but not the quality or the goodness of the product. So let me know if you want to see that, and I can include it or film a separate video or something. At least with this one, it'll be a separate video, but I can include it for the other 2. Up next are 2 face masks from this brand that I cannot pronounce. I've never done these before. So they're just sheet masks. I've never done a sheet mask before. So this is something I'm going to have to experience and share it with you guys, I'm sure. So 2 sheet masks, which is awesome. I don't know, how much do these things retail for? I should probably have told you that. So the honey face oil is $48 retail. The Flower Dose eye serum is $34. And then the 2 sheet masks together are $18. Up next is this Glam Glow Super Cleanse foam cleanser. I've heard great things about Glam Glow. I think they have face masks that people like lose their minds about. This is $32 retail. So they really like leaned into the fact that I wanted skincare. So this is a huge bottle of face cleanser. I love face cleanser. I kind of jump around with my face cleansers. I'm pretty loyal to like my moisturizers and my serums, but face cleansers, I find that I'm like, as long as it gets rid of the makeup and doesn't make my skin feel like dry or tight, it's a good cleanser. So I'm excited to give this a go. My neighbor decided that now was the time to mow, so I hope you guys don't hear it too loudly, but we are continuing on. So there is one more product left in the box. So overall, there were 5 products. This is a palette that retails for $42. And then I got that extra item that I think they still offer if you're interested. You can like sign up for that mask, or they do like another palette. So this is the Grown Woman palette. Give Them La La Beauty. So this is it's a box. It's a box, Kayla. It's not the palette itself. This is crazy for $25. Jeez. So this is what the palette looks like from the outside, a nice marble material. Oh my God. Look how big these are. Is this eyeshadows? Yeah, these are eyeshadows. Look at how big they are. So it has a little fallout right here. So let's just clean that up so it looks nice. These are all like shades and colors that I could probably wear these as like cheek blushes, but these are very much my style of eyeshadows. I'm actually like super impressed with this box, but I do feel like after a few months, you're gonna end up with a ton of products you have to work through. So that's why I only signed up for 3 months, but I think this might be one of those subscription boxes that I do every year for a couple of months, just to get some new products into my routine. I'm a very like routine-based person. If I find something I like, I don't want to try new things, but there's so many amazing things that are out there and new and exciting to try, and for $25 I am sold. Like, I'm here for this. I've been out of the subscription box game for a while, but a lot of them now have like shops or add-on stores where you can get like name brand full-size products for like really affordable, cheaper prices. So I did that because they also gave me like a 10-point credit or charms, I don't know. So when I signed up, I got that free product and like 10 charm points, and you can spend those in their store. So I have a MAC lipstick coming, as well as another product that totaled 10 charms, and those were free. So apparently that's the thing boxes do now. I think FabFitFun does that as well, where you can just add on products through their shop. So if you're like me and you haven't done a subscription box in years, that's a new thing to consider as well. So I definitely think I'm going to include these products in my first impressions and what I think about using them in a vlog, but let me know if you want me to tack that on at the tail end of the next 2 box videos. Also, let me know if you've tried this box before or other subscription boxes that you're really impressed with. I'm definitely feeling like I need some new products in my life, so leave those recommendations in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed old school Microscope Beauty, Kayla back at it, talking about beauty products, and subscribe so you don't miss a video from me. I post every Wednesday and Friday. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.